So what do you guys think already of Texas Roadhouse?
It's a cardinal.
Hmm?
It's a cardinal.
Yep, Cardinals. So tell me again what you got on your applesauce.
We got melted marshmallows and caramel.
And you're drinking Coke.
I got strawberry lemonade. I don't know when to start getting Coke.
Yeah, because it's on the option. Look at her sipping it. All the sugar. Well, you better enjoy it today, sister.
You better salvage it. You won't be able to have it tomorrow.
Right. The famous applesauce with caramel and marshmallow. Be careful, it might be warm, okay?
No, not just the marshmallow.
Trying to get in there. You have some too. You guys gonna take a bite together? Okay, go ahead. Let's see. What do you... You like it? What about you?
You're taking pictures of us. This is California.
Yo.